3 other streaming platforms scored double-digit viewing growth during the month, with Disney Plus up 15%.
Your eyes can deceive you.
And when it comes to sports, it seems like Walt Disney's ABC was the place to go to. It had the 7 most watched broadcast shows, led by the NBA Finals, the CNN presidential debate, and Game 7 of the NHL Championship. Kimberly Adams, Bloomberg Business for KCBS.
The U.S. Olympic team has captured its first gold medal. CBS News correspondent Wendy Gillette. It came in the pool, the 4x100 men's freestyle relay. Jack Alexi, Chris Giuliano, Hunter Armstrong, and Caleb Dressel beat out Australia and Italy. Their time was just short of a world record. That record was set by a team of Americans as well, including Michael Phelps at the Beijing Olympics in 2008. Wendy Gillette, CBS News,
gap in front
Paris.
of you.
Are you ready to experience innovation like never before? Introducing the new 2024 Chevrolet Equinox EV 2RS 4-wheel drive, America's most affordable 315-mile SUV. Available now at Fremont Chevrolet, Dublin Chevrolet, Stevens Creek Chevrolet, and Concord Chevrolet. And now, for a limited time,
Come on, you have a huge gap in front of you. Stop fucking around with the phone.
For just $129 a month for 24 months, with $69.95.
See it very clearly.
That's right, $129 a month for 24 months on the efficient new 2024 Chevrolet Equinox EV 2RS 4-wheel drive, packed with advanced features and exceptional value. Visit Fremont Chevrolet, Dublin Chevrolet, Stevens Creek Chevrolet, or Concord Chevrolet today, or check them out at CaliforniaCarOnline.com. $69.95 due at signing, $0 security deposit, 10,000 miles per year, 25 cents per mile in excess, fine at this price, plus tax, title, license, and registration fees for well-qualified listings only. Not all buyers will qualify. Retail delivery by July 31st, 2024. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive.
Hey, you. I knew I'd find you back in the same aisle. What are you looking for today? More fiber? More laxatives? Or the same ways to manage your constipation? Look, if your constipation with belly pain keeps coming back, you may have irritable bowel syndrome with constipation, or IBS-C. Ask your doctor how Linzess can help you get ahead of it.
Linzess linaclotide is a prescription medicine that treats IBS-C in adults. It's not a laxative. It's a once-daily pill that helps you get ahead of your symptoms. It's proven to help you have more frequent and complete bowel movements and helps relieve overall abdominal symptoms, belly pain, discomfort, and bloating. These symptoms were studied in combination, not individually. Do not give Linzess to children less than 2. It may harm them. Do not take Linzess if you have a bowel blockage. Get immediate help if you develop unusual or severe stomach pain, especially with bloody or black stool. The most common side effect is diarrhea, sometimes severe. If it's severe, stop taking Linzess. Call your doctor right away. Other side effects include gas, pain, and swelling. Learn more at Linzess.com or call 1-800-LISDESS.
Hey guys, at Prime Mail Medical, our mission is to provide you with the medical care you need to improve your ED, low T, and incontinence. With years dedicated to improving the lifestyle of our patients in the Bay Area, we strive to improve their overall health. Listen to Dr. Robert Rowley, who has virtually every medication.
On-demand to the ultimate. We specialize in acoustic wave therapy, sublingual lozenges which bypass the digestive system, making them work faster and more effectively. Injectable medications and testosterone treatment for those patients who need it.
Impotence problems can be treated in just one visit. Call now. Get a PSA test, testosterone test, Doppler ultrasound, and a full year of free visits for just $99. Call 415-761-4037. That's 415-761-4037. Or go to PrimeMailMedical.com. Again, that's PrimeMailMedical.com. 415-761-4037. Visit us in San Francisco, San Jose, and the East Bay.
Let's check traffic with Joe. He's got a crash in San Mateo.
And this crash on 101 South just past 3rd Avenue has the 2 left lanes blocked, and we start to see the slow traffic forming right near Poplar Avenue. And we're also watching this crash in Mountain View, northbound 101, just past Shoreline Boulevard, or we'll just put it right in Old Middlefield Way. This crash is still blocking the 3 left lanes. And BART is experiencing some system-wide delays. There are station closures in Oakland at 12th Street, Oakland City Center, 19th Street, Oakland, Lake Merritt, and Fruitvale stations. And that is due to a power loss on the tracks between 19th Street and the Fruitvale station. So there are major delays right now system-wide, again, due to this power loss between 19th Street, Oakland, and Fruitvale. Keep an eye on this, which you know when things change. Spot a problem, let us know. You can dial 415-391 KCBS, our phone force line. Your next update, 6:38 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
We have mostly clear skies inland, but there's clouds, fog, drizzle along the coast, along the water, and temperatures are getting pretty low. Most of us now are in the 50s or the low 60s, and it's going to be drizzly tonight, especially if you are by the water. Our meteorologist Aaron Peck said when you wake up in the morning, it'll look like it rained. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Are you curious about who offers the best deals on top-rated Samsung, LG, and Sony TVs? The answer is surprising. It's not online, and it's not the warehouse clubs. The best deals on top-rated TVs are at Video Only. The trade-in deals at Video Only. How about $500 for your old TV? Try doing that online. Before you buy that new TV, drop into Video Only. If you don't, you'll be sorry. News that matters to you. Around the Bay, around the world, around the clock. All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. It is Saturday, July 27th, 2024. Coming up on KCBS.
I'm David Welch in Oakland. The city's new independent baseball team is being accused of unsafe conditions.
One of the Falcons born on top of UC Berkeley Clock Tower is recovering.
CBS News Brief. The race between former President Donald Trump and Vice President Kamala Harris narrows. CBS's Christian Benavides.
Polls now show a tightening presidential race, with Harris firing up Democrats in key battlegrounds.
Israel is accusing Hezbollah of a deadly attack in the Golan Heights. CBS's Deborah Patta.
Israel and Hezbollah have been trading almost daily fire along the Lebanese border. But this attack could significantly escalate the possibility of an all-out war there.
The Park wildfire in Northern California is threatening thousands of homes, destroying 130 buildings so far. This man has lost his second home to fire. He'll have to move.
We're also looking out of the area and looking far out of the area because we think it's after 2 times, live and learn.
CBS News Brief, I'm Heather Bosch.
KCBS News Time is 6:32. As we've been telling you in our traffic reports with Joe Hoskinson, BART is experiencing a major delay system-wide because of an equipment problem near San Leandro on the track between 19th Street, Oakland, and Fruitvale stations. Oakland officials say stations were closed at 12th Street, Oakland, City Center, 19th Street, Oakland, Lake Merritt, and Fruitvale due to the power loss. There's currently no Green Line service between Berryessa and Daly City.
Stardate July 27th. The center of the Milky Way galaxy is already packed with stars, but in a few million years, tens of thousands more could flare to life in a region known as the Brick. It's a vast cloud of cold, dark gas and dust that's shaped like a brick. It may be the biggest future star cluster in the entire galaxy. It's more than 100,000 times the mass of the Sun, and observations in recent years have shown that it contains dozens of dense blobs of material, cocoons that could be giving birth to stars even now. Stars are born when such blobs collapse under their own weight. As a blob collapses, it gets hotter. If it gets hot enough, nuclear fusion ignites in its core, giving birth to a star. There are indications that a few small stars have already formed in the Brick, but such giant clouds are also where big, heavy stars are born, stars that shine tens of thousands of times brighter than the Sun. It's not certain that the Brick will give birth to many stars at all. While it has the right ingredients, it's in the most crowded region of the galaxy. The gravity of the stars and clouds around it could keep it too stirred up to form stars. Powerful magnetic fields could hinder star formation as well. Astronomers will study the Brick in more detail in the coming years to determine whether it's the site of future fireworks or a galactic dud. Tomorrow, dawn encounters for the moon. You can find more astronomy news in Stardate magazine. Subscription information at stardate.org. For the University of Texas at Austin McDonald Observatory, I'm Billy Henry.
Oakland
Maryland's indie baseball team, the Ballers, is being accused of providing unsafe conditions for its players, as KCBS's David Welch reports.